The University of California, Berkeley International House is a haven for cross-cultural exchange, housing up to 800 students each year from around the world. Famous for its engaging special events, including prominent guest speakers and film screenings, its intriguing residents, including the Crown Prince of Norway, and its propensity for connecting long-lasting international romance, iHouse provides an engaging and entertaining home for students journeying to study abroad at UC Berkeley. Sitting at the helm is a veritable cross-cultural communication expert. As a career diplomat, Executive Director Martin Brennan spent some 30 years exchanging culture in countries across Europe, Asia, and Africa, most recently serving as the U.S. Ambassador to Uganda and Zambia. He credits his own junior year abroad in Italy as the inspiration for his chosen career path and continuing dedication to international relations.
When you're in one of these programs, first of all, you learn a language, which is very important. And you stretch your understanding of other cultures. You really stretch yourself into that dimension. That's absolutely essential. You learn patience. You learn courage, because it takes courage to go to a bank when you only have a 100-word vocabulary and try to get a check. And you learn you can do things you never thought you could do. These are skills you can take anywhere. That's extremely important. You learn that you can be in class, and when the professor calls on you, even though you almost die of fright, you're able to cope, and people do understand you. You're able to start writing papers in a foreign language. And these things actually were building blocks to being able to do more and more cultures and make more and more friendships. The friendships never end. That's the best part about it. So it's universally applicable.
The UC Berkeley International House exists because of international exchange and consistently works to promote and encourage international travel and study. So, still wondering if study abroad is the right choice for you? Well, I'll leave that for Mr. Brennan to decide.
Gosh, I think it's one of the best things that I ever did. And I hope others do it too.